Hi there, everyone! Today we'll be discussing WooCommerce custom fields. In this video, we'll show you how to create and display them on your website. You can also find links to a full written tutorial and the plugins mentioned throughout the video in the description. To get started, you'll need to install and activate two plugins. The first is Advanced Custom Fields. This free plugin is what we'll use to add the WooCommerce custom fields. The second is WooCommerce Product Table, which we'll use to display the custom fields in a table layout. It's a paid plugin. You can visit the plugin website and click on Buy Plugin to choose your plan. Once those plugins are installed and activated on your website, you're ready to get started. Head over to Custom Fields, then click on Add New. Here you can give your field group a name. Under Location, you can set it so that Post Type is equal to Product. This way, the custom fields will only show for WooCommerce products. You can change the additional settings if you want, but it's not necessary. When you're ready, select the Publish button. Now, it's time to add custom fields to the field group. To do so, click on the Add Field button and give it a label. This will automatically populate the field name. You can select the field type based on the type of information you're collecting. For example, you can choose text, image, number, and so on. You can repeat this process for as many fields as you want to add to your table. For example, we're creating a shoppable order form table for the hats in our online store. We'll indicate the size and color using text and whether it's fitted using emojis. When you're done, make sure to update your changes. Now, when you create or update a product, you'll see the custom fields at the bottom, below the text editor. If you view your product page, you'll notice that you can't see your custom field data yet. That's where the WooCommerce Product Table plugin comes in. Head on over to your Product Tables page in your WooCommerce settings. To tell the product table to display your custom fields, we'll configure the Columns options under the Table Contents section. You can enter the basic product information that you want to appear in the table, such as the product name, price, and image. Make sure to separate them with commas. You can use CF field name to add your custom fields as their own columns. However, instead of field name, you'll enter the name you used while creating the custom field. For example, we'll be adding CF size, CF color, and CF fitted. You can find this information under the name column of the Advanced Custom Field settings. When you're done configuring the column settings, click on the Save Changes button. To display your order form on your website, you can use the WooCommerce Product Table shortcode. The shortcode is product_table, enclosed in square brackets. However, if you use this, it will display every product in your store. If this isn't what you want, and in our case it isn't, you can adjust it to apply rules. For example, we'll add a specifier to only include products that fall into the hat category. After you add your shortcode, you should see the order table form and custom fields when you preview the page. You can further customize the product table by adding multiple shortcodes and including or excluding rules. Now you can use the product table shortcode anywhere you want to display it on your site. That's it! Remember, you can visit the description of this video to find links to a full written tutorial and the plugins featured in the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.